Sometimes the right tool can make a huge difference, and that's exactly why this product has been blowing up lately. It gives you smooth, consistent performance. It's built with real quality, and it's incredibly easy to use, which means you spend less time figuring things out and more time actually enjoying the results. The moment I tried it, I realized why everyone was recommending it. It just makes things simpler, better, more efficient. If you've been looking for something that adds value to your day without adding complexity, this is the perfect choice. Hit the link in the description and take a look. Give yourself the chance to try something that genuinely improves your routine. Hold on, don't even think about scrolling. You're about to discover something that people are losing their minds over. Hit the link in the description. You'll thank me later, I promise. This product is going viral. Sometimes the right tool can make a huge difference, and that's exactly why this product